for you. My desire grows. I would do anything. Feels like I'm drowning. I would do anything for you. I am haunted. My desire grows for you, for you, for you. Feels like I'm drowning. I would do anything. Feels like I'm drowning. I would do anything. My desire grows, my affection grows. No one will ever know how much I need you, how bad I want you, how much I care. Feels like I'm drowning.
Welcome everyone, welcome. So glad that you're here, guys. So we are gonna be explaining what is happening today. We see insane things happening with the Powell's meeting taking over right now. It just started, so we are gonna be checking out what is happening for Bitcoin DXY. We are gonna be checking a little bit the forex charts to see what they have to say as well. Things are looking good at the moment, but this kind of fake out, as far as you can see on the chart right here, could easily end up to a sell-off event. So we are not there yet. We are not done with the situation. So pump and dump, or most likely we are gonna be breaking this insane resistance line. Next point to watch right here is technically the upper side of this kind of descending triangle, or the same formation that we have been technically building up back in the summer. So we are gonna be checking everything regarding this. We are gonna be checking out what happened back in time. Fake out at the moment, so this can easily take everything back. What it paid out can take everything back, so you should, guys, don't rush into decisions that you kind of regret. So I see that many people are taking wrong decisions. They FOMO into these pumps, and then the market is taking everything back. At the moment, everything overbought at the 15-minute time frame. I'm gonna be checking out a little bit what is happening right here. We have a cross for the stochastic on the downside. On the 2-hour chart, things are looking pretty bullish at the moment, but not something crazy. Please, guys, just like this video. It takes nothing from your time. Also, don't forget, we are gonna have this very nice giveaway. Please just jump into as long as it runs. For Christmas time, we are gonna be giving away $200 of Ethereum, we are going to be giving one Ledger Nano S. And of course, when and if our Twitter account is reaching the 1,000 subscribers, we are going to be also giving 300 extra dollars of Ethereum. So this is pretty great, I would say. On the 2-hour chart, nothing technically happened. Fake out, we are right here. Nothing crazy to worry about. Nothing crazy to worry about. We are not breaking out. So what I would like to see is a legit confirmation. All of this is FOMO of the last moment and the Powell's meeting taking over right now. So this is what I'm checking out. I'm not technically trading anything. I am expecting and I am technically watching out if this is going to play out how it should. Otherwise, this could retrace and fall all the way down. So now why I'm saying all of this, guys, you can go on the weekly chart and you can check out this has not bottomed yet, so I'm waiting for the bottom of the stochastic. Everything is looking downwards. I'm not saying that we are gonna be falling, but at least we should see a kind of consolidation for further on what is happening right here. So technically we are under this support line on Bitcoin. Things are looking that we can easily continue to the downside. The good thing though is that this week have paid out many people, many shorts have been paid out, and we have technically paid as well the consolidation inside this ascending channel we have had before. 5-day time frame as well is looking pretty blurry. Things are falling right here. We don't know yet. I told you guys, I told you that we will have a 2-week consolidation. This is what happened, and this is what we are watching at this point. Okay, so good, we are climbing a little bit further up. I'm not rushing into trades because they can eat me alive. Okay, so the same thing you should do as well. I believe this is not a financial advice. This is not a financial advice because you guys are trading as much as you want. Don't rush into trades right now. It's a little bit tricky. I don't say that this cannot go all the way up. As far as you can see, the Williams is giving a little bit an upside momentum right here. This is an ascending triangle. Also, we have to watch what is happening. The divergence right here, they are holding pretty good. Many people take them all the way down right here, so they leave this as a fake out. This could also be a scenario, but right here what we are building is a second resistance in the RSI, so we don't know what technically can happen. I love the fact that we had bullish divergence, so if you guys load down here on the bullish divergence for the stochastic RSI, this would be technically nice right now. So if you have grabbed some bottoms at this point, then things were technically great for you right now. Okay, so because we have been watching that this bullish divergence of the stochastic, they were pretty nice actually. Okay, so this is good, this is good, this was very nice. I loved it, and I actually grabbed some spot. Okay, I bought some on my spot wallet. I told you guys, I don't expect that we will be dumping so far on the downside. Let's see if this is going to break out. It's technically a battle between bears and bulls right now. Okay, it's a battle. They are battling, they are fighting right now. Things are looking pretty crazy. Dump and pump, pump and dump. We will see what is going to happen at this point. So what do we have? What do we have right here? Bullish divergence, nice bullish momentum for a consolidation, so they are not so strong, so we will see what is happening at this point, but this has to break to the upper side for sure, guys. So if you guys have been jumping into trades, I don't know what to say. It would be nice if you entered down here. I said no, I'm not entering. This can eat me alive technically. So many times we see some fake outs, and the fake outs are really ugly. So we don't have even a 2-hour close right here, 20 minutes left. 1 hour close is looking pumpy. Okay, that's good. The wicks are technically showing huge indecision in the market. but this one could easily retrace, give some bearish divergence at this point, and this can technically take you down. Let's go to check a little bit what is happening with the DXY at the moment. Wow, so this is what I'm watching, this fake out. That's very bullish, guys. That's very bullish. So that's what I want to see. I want to see this dumping further. Very nice. We have been to the local high. We have been resisted before. Very nice. We are still holding this beautiful resistance point. And what I'm saying is the fact that this could easily dump so fast after the tonight's decision, the earlier tapering maybe, and this could lead to a very nice Christmas for the crypto holders. Okay, so what we should see at this point is break to the downside and then not hold this support line. So that's what I'm expecting. That's what I want to see at this point playing out for the DXY, the dollar index. So guys, I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different today. I'm gonna be checking out what is happening right here for the forex trading. So this is USD Japanese yen. As far as you can see, this has been pumping. That's a little bit tricky because right now DXY is technically lost. So it has been faked out. So this means that also for the USD Japanese yen, this could easily come and retrace to the downside. And what you should be cautious about in case you are trading forex is this kind of upper side resistance points that they can technically take it down, not now but a little bit later. I smell a lot of fake outs for tonight. Going back to the Bitcoin price, we see, guys, that this one is showing that this broke to the upper side right now. Okay, if you are guys rushing into this kind of trades, I don't really know what to tell you, because the market, it's reacting sometimes different of what you expect. So I don't want to be rusty right here, because if I'm rusty, okay, if I am just jumping into FOMOing into the market, this can eat me alive, as I said before. So I don't rush into this kind of trades. If you guys have done this on the downside after this broke to the upper side, then you are technically good right now. Congrats to everyone who took this kind of trades. But don't jump into things that they can really hurt you, okay? Because this is happening, guys. This is happening, and it can really be very bloody in the end. Meeting is not done. Actually, the decision was about to be the 9:30. 9:30. So I mean, like 2:30 p.m. time for Eastern. So that's what I'm saying. This is a little bit tricky right now. Don't jump into trades that you are guys going to regret. It's going to be FOMO into the market. FOMO is technically a bad decision. So the biggest traders are technically trying to find consolidation periods. The fact that I haven't been trading this period of time, it was because I wanted to stay out of this kind of market, and because I couldn't follow up what is happening. I have also some health issues, and I said, guys, I'm gonna stay out for a while. It's a vacation period for me. So yes, I could enter in a trade at this point, but not now. Now is not good time. So what I would expect, it would be a breakout, okay, and then for sure a kind of confirmation, turning this resistance that is coming from the upper side into a support. Okay, so I want to see this breaking to the upper side and then making the resistance turning into a support. Look what is happening right now, faking out again. It can easily retrace, go to the inside of where it started from. You see the battle, the fight between bulls and bears. So if you guys are trading, be cautious, okay? I would like to see the rest of the cryptos pumping a little bit further. So yes, this would be actually nice. Let's go to the Ethereum price to see what is happening right here. Very nice. I could easily play some longs at this point on the downside. It was a buy zone. I've said it, I mentioned it with my students. They have been also trying to trade all of this. So what we have right here is of course an earlier resistance point right here, fight between bulls and bears, and of course what I'm expecting is that this one should come and confirm this price. If this is not going to come and confirm, this was a lost trade. Ciao, bella, see you later. We will have another opportunity, another chance to enter the market. Let's see what is happening to the bigger time frames for the Ethereum price. The support is holding. I love the fact that we had been checking some wicks at this point. I love this fact. Why I'm saying this is that this kind of came to get covered, so it gave another chance to the bears, to the bulls to enter at this point on the downside. So very nice fact. Also, I want to be checking if this one is technically going to pop all the way up. I love the fact that we are still inside this support line. Okay, I love this fact. So I want to see a further price action for the Ethereum to the upper side. It doesn't give yet crazy bullish divergence or something like this. And the stochastic RSI is a little bit tricky on the 3-day chart. Let's check the day chart. Day chart very nicely start giving some bullish momentum. At this point, also the 12-hour looking very good. So what we should see, break of this resistance line, and then going all the way up. This would be the best scenario ever for the Ethereum price. So we can see some further price action. If this resistance point is going to break, turn the resistance into a support, then I'm watching 5,000 again for this territory, the green territory, for the Ethereum price. Okay, but it has to break the approximately 4,120. This is critical level, guys. This has to break. We should see further price action to the upper side if we want to turn bullish into Ethereum. So shorter time frames, yes, we should see a legit breakout. Not there yet, not there yet. People are getting stressed. They believe they lost the opportunity now. Bitcoin is going to 65k. This is what they say. That's wrong. Okay, so we have to break a lot of resistance lines to go back in the 60s. But yes, we should see some further price. These guys can easily retrace to the upper side, come and continue the consolidation, because the main resistance point for the Bitcoin price is technically under, okay, is technically under this line. This is the resistance line has been support. Technically the neckline for this head and shoulder pattern broke all the way down, got paid, okay, and then is what we have inside here. We have a lot inside here. We are not in the breakout zone yet. This is just a breakout for now. It can easily take you to the 50,000, then could retrace all the way back. This is what I'm expecting right here. So don't FOMO into, you haven't lost any opportunity. There are many entries at this point. One entry could be now, one entry could be after some days by breaking this, another could be by breaking this green line as far as you see right here. Also very huge resistance and very big resistance at this point. And also we have so many multiple ways to check out if we want to get into longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points right here. I'm not even here yet. This is too far for me. So I want to see for sure breaking the 54,000 to start turning bullish for Bitcoin. So we are entering back in the bull market. That's all we will see. I hope you like this update. For now, let me take a breath, and we are coming back to explain to you a little bit more if we can see some further price action for the Bitcoin price. And yes, we are gonna be checking out what is happening in general, a little bit with the rest of the DXY, and of course Bitcoin, Ethereum. And we are back. We are gonna be checking out a little bit what is happening right now. Things are looking a little bit better at this point, so what we are expecting is for sure the next 5 minutes is gonna close also the 2-hour candlestick right here. Let's go back to the 2-hour candlestick. Yes, it's looking nice. We want to see a legit breakout right here. So that's what is showing in this point is that very nice stochastic cross. Okay, so what I want to see is this breaking a little to the upper side, and then of course we need the confirmation so we can technically say that Bitcoin is looking bullish. Okay, so after the breakout, what you should check, of course, is not that this kind of descending triangle can be measured, because I'm not going to measure any kind of levels like this. I can take it to the upper side. That's wrong technically. Okay, why? We are watching that this kind of breakout, okay, it has many resistance points on the top. So what we should check is technically what is happening in the swings with the fib levels. The fib levels should be taken from the swing low to the swing high. So that's what we are checking. So as far as you see now, we are technically fighting with the 0.618. This is the level we are watching, and the next level to watch is the 49,700. So that's the two things that we should watch right now by taking from the swing low to the swing high. And we are technically checking the market at this way, and we should see a kind of legit confirmation by breaking this, okay, for first time, or even for here, and confirming either to the 48,187 or down here to the 47,600, so we can go all the way up. But still okay, I'm turning bullish, and I am watching the 1.272, the 52,200. This would technically play a very nice game. I hope that we'll have a good Christmas, but you know that the market has the way to technically take a lot of money from people. So be cautious about how the market is going to trade, and of course be careful with how you are trading, guys. It's very tricky period, and the market is doing a lot of fake outs. We have been to a consolidation period, so for something to start being fake out, it's technically that nothing. It shows the indecision in the market. Fake outs are good and bad things for the market. The good thing is that we see that this can the whole downside momentum can easily change the price action, and we can take another kind of turn to our trading. So this means that if we have been bearish at this point, let's say, now the indecision can start showing some bullish signals. That's what we are checking when we are trying to test the market and technically go with the psychology of the market. So we are also trying to like adopt some new trading styles always, and put our psychology on the side, replacing with education. So that's what we are doing also with the academy. We try to change the mentality of the students. Stop just thinking what the emotion says. Like now, for example, you are boiling that I should enter. This is a crazy breakout. No, guys, you should be cautious. There are many resistance points. You will have the opportunity to enter back. So I have been doing these mistakes many times, and that's what the life of trader showed me. So check out what you're doing, how you're trading, but write down on a freaking paper. It costs you nothing. It's the first thing you learn in the school, how to write. Okay, so just write down your thoughts, write down your trades, and always return back to watch what the chart said before. Watch, because we always should look left. Okay, after this break to the downside, day 2, I said that it's going to be a consolidation period. Do you know why? Is because I understand the market. Okay, I understand how the market goes, and I said, since we haven't seen a crazy pump all the way up, okay, because this pump wasn't enough. A good pump all the way up shouldn't be from here, okay, from down here to here or here. It should be back here, and this didn't happen. So this is turning us to another kind of direction. We are bearish in some ways, but we are also bullish in case our resistance lines start breaking to the upper side. We are technically in a range territory. I said it, we are not in a bull market yet. Okay, we have been in a bull market as long as we have been breaking the upper sides, okay, of this channel, and this was technically very bullish. It was bullish after we broke this kind of resistance line, and then we broke this resistance line. This was bullish, but now we are bearish, not bearish, but in a range territory. Why I'm saying that is the fact that we are technically in a range territory between the 0.382 and the 0.618. So this for Bitcoin is technically a range territory right now. Under here we are going on bear market, over here we are going for a bull market, so you should be cautious. This is what I said back in here. I said we are in a range territory back in here, and I said that if this is breaking, yes, you will continue the bull market, but look what happened now. We are back. So we are back in the moving sand. Okay, don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for being here tonight. We are going to be checking also the Ethereum price a little bit, checking right here. Very nice. I love to see Ethereum back to the 4,000. Beautiful, because I was accumulating down here. It was a buy zone. I said it to many people. Many people believe that we go back to the 3,400. I'm saying to you guys, if something like this for Ethereum will happen, if something like this would happen and we go to the 3,400, I'm saying to you guys, I'm turning bearish, and I expect I'm technically going out from my spot positions from the Ethereum price, from the Ethereum trades. Why I'm saying that is because if this is going to break technically this last level, depends where is this week, because in some platforms is actually higher, it comes approximately here. If this breaks to the downside, then I'm taking out from my spot wallet, guys, a big amount, because I expect at least the 2,500 coming in. This is bearish, okay, and this is gonna be bearish for Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin is still fighting right here to break, okay. Maybe the breakout is pretty legit right now. The 2-hour candlestick is technically closed, so that's good. That's good. We need a confirmation right here. If you find a confirmation, a legit confirmation, that you see that this one, okay, is technically turning, then it could be a nice opportunity if you want to enter. It's not a financial advice. You do whatever you want, guys. What I want to say, you guys are turning very bullish. You say that market is green. Yes, okay. If you believe that is a good place to enter right here, this is your knife, your watermelon. You know what to do with it. So if you want to enter, that's your decision, is not mine. I said I'm staying far until I see a confirmation. If I don't see a confirmation, believe me, guys, in some days from now you will say, what is going on right here? Why we are returning back? Why we are still ranging? The opportunities will be many, and if this is going to break to the upper side, then you can enter trades right here. There is no issues. There are resistance points to watch, and if those are going to turn into technically support lines, okay, with confirmations, then yes, is a very nice decision, very nice opportunity to enter the market. Not right now, not for me. Very nice bullish divergence on the downside. I love this fact on the 2-hour. I've mentioned it before, I think. So that's looking great. That's looking great. Maybe the next 4 hours will be very nice. Resistance lines are many. I explained myself many times. Let's go to watch a little bit what the DXY has to say. Yes, that was what I was expecting. I mentioned it a little bit before. Very nice fake out, very nice. I want to see Fed printing some more money, to be honest. Tapering would be maybe legendary for some of the companies or not. We will see, but the market has to be pulled back. So what does the Nasdaq has to say? Wow, nice. So this is a W breakout on the 2-hour chart. Very nice, bullish right here. Very nice bullish divergence. Everything turned to the upper side after Powell's decision, most likely. Very good support line. Very nice W right here. And this has been major. This has been major. I think we'll see Nasdaq back to the support line, or maybe confirmation. Let's see what it has to say. That this is looking great. This is looking great. At this point, this is looking great. I hope we don't have a kind of fake out right here. Okay, so the fake out could easily retrace and break everything to the downside. So these very nice decisions that the Fed is taking right now would be legendary. Please like this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this update helped you as much as 49k. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. I love this market structure right now. Beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all the notifications, and see you in the next one of Crypto Miner. Bye bye.